Yay, I'm Brazil kitchen. Imobia Papa, Madam me viewers in Madam new subscribers. And then so first time I reach me, Medawasi, by my fee, so subscribe. No, I hate notification bell. So, boom. Pineapple, sugar, hibiscus leaves, honey, ginger, black pepper, grains of selim, chili pepper, cloves, prekese, and orange. Didn't you ever say about whole prekese no? Yeah, do you? Yeah, that will grow young pineapple and so on. You also pineapple and okay. Near to chat. Yo, the pineapple nini, my saying, but and yet all that because me to but I mean pay back ne too much. Into back no, me try kese back say me dia no betum. Na me twitwa kakra de gum. Ebe wo ho sobolo no. Okay, continue. Me the sobolo leaves ne gum. It's a color no. I change it. Na prekese no so. So this is a kakra. Okay, and this is a yeah the pineapple no. If a good sobolo no. Me chicha, me eat eduano. And a medal no. Diego. And a back na kakrabi. There we go. Na fe me kono egoso ne ena ensisano mechim ebien me de ha de egoso na pepre no so sa mechim ebien me de ha de egoso na ma blend it ginger no and pepper and sesame I can maybe a blend no separate. Yeah, the equity no orange no. Yeah, the recount we add it. Sobolo. Be they say try. Now, Mamma Ray, Fisa, Mobama, sister, thumbs up. Namaste. Nama subscribe you new ones. Namina, Mamba Martin. Moshadi. Namon subscribe it. Let's see. New one, a fahanina. Aye, woman, cassa. Let's see, you been none. I just used to cry me no just a sense, no. And that from, you know. But modern, a tribe. Yeah, we ain't here the basic when you're bought now. You better blend it, and spices, no. Akano, near blended pineapple, no so. Near the gum. I miss it. Young fan gum ho cry no. Aroma no. So we ye be not try. What to mean so they star anise etum and I say nkiti emano different level. Yo, and the fabiachi the radiasi tino sobolo no enemy. A coolie And it smells so good. Look. Now I pineapple. You're blending, and the rest of the spices now you're blending, and it's the same. You've been mixing in. Oh, okay, very ready to drink. So bring your cup. You add the spice, spices in your blending. Then I added sugar and brown sugar. I mean, you see, you can use any sugar. Sugar beer. I can't wait to drink my honey. Open it here so that it will be a little bit faster. Tasting so now open sweet, more sweeter. Nina, it's up to you. It's your drink. Yebekashi. Hey. Anyway, Miss Onoma, Banum Gilde, Banum Nedebia. How the cookie see? How was it? Thanks for watching. Thank you. Thank you. Love you all.